Hello everyone, I have a hallway makeover for you guys today. If you want to see how I took my hallway from this to this, then keep watching. Okay guys, so as you already know, I don't get dressed up for DIY, so this is my real life DIY uniform here. And this video I actually filmed a while ago, so I'm sorry for the bad footage, but there's a very interesting story with the paint. Originally you see me putting on this like brown colored paint, and I was painting it the color Urbane Bronze from Sherwin-Williams. It's supposed to be a charcoal gray color, but in the lighting of my hallway it actually just turned up looking brown. But I did end up changing the color later on to a color called slate gray that I picked up at Habitat for Humanity, and I will show a picture of that can a little bit later on. I also want to say that I do highly recommend, if you are going to go with a darker accent wall, especially for a gallery wall, that you do go ahead and paint any trim and baseboards on that wall as well. I was a little bit nervous to do this, but now that it's done, I'm really glad that I did. So I highly recommend that. I also recommend that anytime that you paint a door that you do take the time to take the hardware off. It is kind of annoying, but it does give a better finish than taping. I also did the same thing when I painted my front door, and that video is on my channel already as a short. This is just a little bit of a clip showing where I was sampling different colors. I went through so many different colors before deciding on the one that I like, and this is that slate gray color that I ended up with. I did thrift the frames. I got both frames for less than $20 each. I think I might have paid $10 for one of them and then maybe $20 for the other one. I don't really remember now. But the first thing I did was just take those apart, take everything out of the frame. I did end up spray painting the frame with a coating of gold spray paint just so that it would have a nice even color to it. And then I took the backs from those, the foam backboards from the frames, and did trace them out onto some Dollar Tree poster board so that I can use this as a matting for my photos later. Because I did end up putting family photos in there for privacy. I did not show the family photos at the end. But then for the foam back, I just used insulation because I didn't have any Dollar Tree foam board at the time when I was filming this. And the insulation was just left over from my doghouse makeover, and that was one of my first videos on this channel. I will link it in the description and in the cards. And once I finished assembling everything, I did go ahead and measure and mark where I would put the hooks to hang them on the wall. I already had one nail at the top, and so I started by hanging the first photo at the top and then marking a straight level line all the way down so that the other one would be centered right below it, and then measuring the distance between the top of the rope and the top of the frame. That's how I was able to mark for where the hook would go for the second frame. Then I just made sure they were level, hung them up, and I was done. This cost me less than $60 because the paint was from the Restore. It was only $15, and I really like the way that it turned out. I did end up putting family photos in the inside that I ordered from Walmart. Not sponsored. I do DIY, home decor, and home improvement on a budget on this channel. If you like that type of content, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.